Ayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking. Here's Zion. And I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So happy weekend guys! So it's a Saturday, November 13 today. So it's actually my birthday! So we're actually on our way to BGC because we're gonna celebrate my birthday there. So we reserved a table sa Wildflour Italian na restaurant. So samahan nyo kami for today. So we're heading now to Wildflour Italian. So we parked at Gallery Parkade there sa 9th Avenue. So maganda yung parking. And then nasa tapat lang niya itong Wildflour Italian. It's located here sa Finance Center. Ayan. And it's right along here. Ayan. This is 26th Street. 26th Street, corner 9th Avenue. Ayan. So, ayan. They have Christmas decorations everywhere. May pa-fountain pa. Nice. Ayan. So, we're heading there na. Ayan. So, we're here. Si Ashley and Zion. Ayan. So, we're just gonna check our reservation. So, ayun si Daddy. There. So, they're just checking it. This is their, I think, menu for the day. Got it? So, ito na. Chine-check yung aming reservation. So, we're here na inside. Yan. So cozy. Nice ambience. So dim lit lang siya. And then yan, we're ordering na. We have the menu. I'll show you later. Yan. So, ito yung kanilang menu. But you can check their menu beforehand sa kanilang website. Okay, so I'll put the website here and the link sa description box. So you can also check out their menu. Okay? So they have legit na Italian food. So later, we'll check. So here's the whole place. Ayan. So make sure that you book a table via their website or via Instagram. May link din there. Ayan. So they serve breadsticks here. Ayan. So while we're waiting for our food, so part of our orders arrived, so they start serving the pizzas first. So we have here Cacio y Pepe, the cheese pizza. And then for our appetizer, we have the Tricolore salad. And then we also have another pizza here, which is the Prosciutto pizza. So that's with arugula on top. Ayan, so we're still waiting for our other orders. So here's their Tricolore salad, which we ordered for our appetizer. So meron yang arugula, radicchio, endive, parmesan. Yan, sarap. We also ordered sparkling wine. There. So the prices of the food items that we ordered, I'll just put here sa screen and sa description box as well. But again, you can check their menu on their website. I also ordered margarita for myself. And then, dumating na din pala yung wood fire roasted na chicken. There. So, this is the spaghetti Vongole naman, which we ordered for pasta. So, this is seafood. And then, this is the prawn Mafaldine. Ayan. Tomato-based naman yan. Yung isa is oil-based. So, this again is the wood fire chicken. Ayan. Meron siyang eggplants na slices on the side. Sobrang masarap siya. Ayan. Di lang na-justify nung video, pero masarap. So, this one naman is the carbonara. So, instead of using bucatini, which is on their menu, they use Campanelle. So, these are the 3 pasta dishes that we ordered. Vongole, Campanelle carbonara, and prawn Mafaldine. So, kain lang kami, guys.
A few moments later.
So, ayan, busog na. We're done eating. Hindi na kami nakapag-video. But, we have takeout. Hindi namin naubos yung food. But, it's sobrang sarap. So, it's pricey, but it's super sarap. Promise. Ayan. So, we're just waiting for the bill. So, we're paying na. By the way, when you're vaccinated, you will get a free Wildflour loyalty card. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. We're done eating the Wildflower. So, we're walking na back to the mall. So that's it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my Wildflour Italian birthday experience. So if you did, please like and share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!